Hello traders, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be looking at the Revert Edge expert advisor for MetaTrader 5. This one is a mean reversion robot built for major indices on the 1 hour time frame, and the seller highlights clean reversals around key levels without any martingale, greed or hedging. It sounds structured for index traders, but let's check the details from the developer page and also look into whether this expert advisor is the best fit for you and your trading style. Now, without wasting any much of your time, let's get started. But before we dive into today's expert advisor, we have a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in. You can get it for free by using the link in the description below. It's totally free, so make sure you check it out. Now, according to the MQ5 page and description, the Revert Edge is designed for intraday mean reversion on indices like US 30, US 500, GER 40, DE 40, and JP 225. These are major indexes with optional support for XAUUSD and others depending on your broker. It looks for situations where price stretches away from important reference points, daily open buyers, weekly levels, and recent structure volatility. Then it targets controlled reversals, often after liquidity sweeps. And it uses a combination of price location filters, and also it uses symbol specific settings before entering. Trades are checked once per new 1 hour candle, and there is no stacking on the same symbol. Every position uses ATR based risks or targets, optional trailing, and importantly, it's set to close by end of the day, so no overnight holds. The EA runs multiple symbol for a single chart with prefix or suffix support. Backtests shown are incredible and impressive over multiple years with solid profit factors around 2.0, 1.97 to be precise, decent win rates near 61%, and very controlled drawdowns on conservative 1% risk settings. This is what it looks like. We have 3% max equity drawdown, and balance drawdown, the max balance drawdown is just 2.52%. All of these are impressive. They emphasize it's prop friendly with daily protections and no toxic recovery methods. Is the equity curve and what it looks like, the best and worst months from their back tests. These are the numbers by the books on the Revert Edge expert advisor. They are quite popular. They have 12 reviews, but the rating is quite poor, which is 2.64 out of 5. I have comments from traders who have bought it, and these are from people who have bought it, and they also have reviews from traders who have used this expert advisor. So I have some positive reviews but also some negative reviews, so everything is here on the MQ5 page. They are quite transparent, and this expert advisor is on the high side, going for $1,000 US. Yes. Now, features that they market include the multi-symbol operation from one chart. We have configurable risk per trade. We also have ATR based stops and targets and risks and target calculations. We also have the daily drawdown protection, equity limits, and manage only mode, and end of day closure. Settings cover symbol selection, trading windows per pair. We also have trailing options and broker adaptations like prefixes. And the developer stresses on your specific broker data because index CFDs vary a lot in spreads and behavior. It's recommended on the 1 hour time frame, and VPS. They also recommend VPS for reliability. All of these are from the developer. Now, when I tried testing this one on MetaTrader 5, I think maybe I ran into some technical issues, or it just couldn't test. This is US 30. I'm going to set it to the 1 hour, and the Revert Edge and try starting. And the test is on now, but I've tried testing it before and I ran into some technical issues. The EA had trouble loading properly on MetaTrader 5 in my setup to run the test, and this might point to broker compatibility or a version hiccup, and this is it, waiting for it. But I didn't get any feedback. It's just like last time, no feedback while trying to test it. Yeah, so while we're waiting for this, let's go back to the page. And okay, I think it's done. Let's go back, and there is nothing here. You can see, I think it has to do with the broker configuration, the compatibility, because the developer warned about this, that it has to be compatible with your broker. And these are the settings, the default settings, which I used to try to run the backtest, but it doesn't show any major, it doesn't show anything. Yeah, I tried to run it again and waiting for it. This is on the US 30 on the 1 hour time frame. Remember, this works perfectly on indexes, and so we don't have anything on the backtest and on the graph. So this expert advisor doesn't seem to be working well. Multiple tests all leading to the same thing. But from the inputs, key ones that matter are risk percentage. Keep it low on multiple symbols. Enabled symbols, test which work best. I basically used US 30, which is the first on the recommended, and it's not working out. My verdict for this is that it's a solid concept for patient index traders, but technical loading issues and broker dependency make it tricky in practice. But if you want to go by their numbers, these are the numbers that they show. I'll say maybe it's for experienced traders who test thoroughly on their broker and whose broker are actually compatible with this. I think when you buy this expert advice, or if you buy it, you should send a message to the developer. I can see some comments here with people saying they just bought the expert advisor, that there's a Telegram group, so you should send a message to the developer to get it configured for you. We also have some comments from people saying it's not trading, it's not doing anything. Also have another one here. So this is just an issue that has been going on, and some other people are also complaining about the same thing. So you should probably reach back to the developer if you have already purchased this, because I can't seem to run the backtest based on the broker issues that I talked about. And I'll say it's for experienced traders who can test already, like I said, and who like rules-based mean reversion and can run conservative multi-symbol setups. Who should avoid it? I'll say beginners, anyone needing reliable, easy loading and frequent trades, plug and play, or traders not willing to tweak for compatibility. Yeah, if this helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more honest expert advisor reviews like this one. Drop a comment with the next expert advisor you want tested next, and don't forget to check the free Forex robot in the description too. Trade safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.